Dear student, now we are discussed about on the topic of monosaccharide, which is the first form of carbohydrate. Monosaccharide can be defined as those sugars which those sugars which cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler form known as monosaccharide. Those sugar which cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler form is known as monosaccharide. Now the simplest form and simplest example of monosaccharide is D-glyceraldehyde, and dihydroxyacetone. The structure of D-glyceraldehyde is C single bond H, double bond O, CHOH, CH2OH. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डी ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड एंड डाईहाइड्रोक्सीस्टोन का स्ट्रक्चर जो है CH2OH, CH2OH. This is the structure of dihydroxyacetone. Both D-glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are the simpler form of monosaccharide. Simpler example of monosaccharide. Now, on the basis of number of carbon atom, monosaccharide can be also categorized into following groups, in which in those monosaccharide in which 3 carbon atoms are found, that is known as trioxide. In which 3 carbon atoms are present, that is known as trioxide. In which 4 carbon atoms are present, that is known as tetroxide. In which 5 carbon atoms are present, that is known as pentoxide. Those monosaccharide in which 6 carbon atoms are present, that is known as hexoxide. Those monosaccharide in which 7 carbon atoms are present, that is known as heptoxide. Now, on the basis of presence of aldehyde and ketone, it can be also known as divided into 2 forms. In those monosaccharide in which aldehyde group are present, that is known as aldoses, and in which ketonic group is present, that is known as ketoses. Class of monosaccharide. Now we can group these carbon on the basis of carbon number and on the basis of aldehydic and ketonic group. We class divided into monosaccharide into following classes: aldoses and ketoses form. Those monosaccharide in which 3 carbon atoms are present, that is known as trioxide. Formula of trioxide: C3H H6O4। एल्डोजेस फार्म में जो है इसका जो है फार्म होगा ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोजेस फार्म में ट्रायोजेस का जो रूप होगा वो डाइहाइड्रॉक्सी एसीटोन होता है, हाइड्रॉक्सी एसीटोन। इसमें कीटोनिक ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है डाइहाइड्रॉक्सी एसीटोन में, और एल्डोजेस में ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है। टेट्रोजेस में जो होता है, टेट्रोजेस में 4 कार्बन एटम प्रेजेंट होता है। इसका जो फार्मूला हो जाता है C4H10 C4H6O4। एल्डोजेस रूप में होता है इरिथ्रोज और कीटोजेस फार्म इसका होता है एरिथ्रोलोज। अब in which 5 carbon atom are present, that is known as pentoses C5H10O5। एल्डोजेस फार्म में इसको हम कहते हैं राइबोज, और कीटोजेस फार्म में इसको हम कहते हैं राइबोलोज। Those monosaccharide in which 6 carbon atom are present, that is known as hexoses C6H12O6 is the formula of hexoses. Aldogenous form of hexoses is known as glucose, while ketogenous form of hexoses is known as fructose. Within each category, sugar are further subdivided on the alignment of H and OH group, and aldehyde or ketonic group. Those form of monosaccharide in which hydroxyl group is present on right hand, that is known as dextrorotatory or D form, while in those monosaccharide hydroxyl group present on left side, that is known as levorotatory or L form of glucose. So such compound which have same structure formula but differing the configuration of structure is different, that is known as stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism term, stereoisomerism, in which when hydroxyl it depend on stereoisomerism depend on H and OH, presence of OH and H and OH and aldehyde or ketonic group CHO or CO ग्रुप के प्रेजेंस पर जो है स्टीरियोआइसोमेरिज्म डिपेंड करता है। व्हेन हाइड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट ऑन राइट साइड, हाइड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट ऑन राइट साइड आप मोनोसैक्राइडल स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज नोन एज डेक्स्ट्रोरोटरी and when hydroxyl group is present on left side, that is levorotatory. डेक्स्ट्रोरोटरी को हम डी फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, डी फॉर्म और इसको हम एल फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Those structure which possess aldehyde group that is known as aldoses, while that structure, that monosaccharide structure which has possesses ketonic group that is known as ketoses. In hexose monosaccharide, aldoses form of hexose monosaccharide is known as glucose, while ketoses is known as fructose. Now we can see the structure of, now we can say the structure of D-glyceraldehyde, D-glyceraldehyde and L-glyceraldehyde. Structure of L-glyceraldehyde: H single bond C, double bond O, C, OH, H, CH2OH. That is structure of D-glyceraldehyde, and that is structure of L-glyceraldehyde. L-glyceraldehyde. Here we can see that H and OH hydroxyl group is present on, in this structure hydroxyl group is present on right side. So that is known as D form, D-glyceraldehyde. Here we can see that structure of hydroxyl group is present on left side, so that is known as L-glyceraldehyde. D-glyceraldehyde is also known as D-glycerose, while D-glyceraldehyde is also known as L-glycerose. Now we can see the example of D-glucose and L-glucose. In glucose, there are 6 carbon atoms are present. So we can write the structure of glucose such as C double bond O, C double bond O, CH, C, H, OH, C, OH, H, C, H, OH, H, OH, CH2OH. That is the structure of D-glucose. Here carbon is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we can see that hydroxyl group is present on, maximum number of hydroxyl group is present on right side, so that is known as D-glucose. D-glucose. एल ग्लूकोज का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे बनता है, सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ, एच, सी, 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 1 2 3 4 5 6, ओ एच, 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 ओ एच, ओ एच, एच, ओ एच, एच, CH2OH. This type of glucose structure is known as L-glucose. Here you can see that maximum number of hydroxyl group are present on left side, so that is known as levorotatory. Here we can see that hydroxyl group is present on right side, so that is known as dextrorotatory structure. Some other example of pentoses are structure of pentoses written as C H double bond O C C C C 1 2 3 4 5 5 carbon atom are present here. C H O H C H O H C H O H CH2OH. That is known as D-ribose. D-ribose. Second structure is C H double bond O C OH H C H OH C H OH CH2OH. That is known as D-arabinose. D-arabinose. Third structure of monosaccharide pentoses CH C double bond O C C C 1 2 3 4 5 C. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा OH ग्रुप H ग्रुप H ग्रुप OH ग्रुप नहीं गलत हो गया C C C 1 2 3 4 5 H OH OH H H OH CH2OH. This structure is known as D-xylose. Third structure of pentoses C single bond H double bond O C OH 1 2 3 4 5 H OH H H OH CH2OH. 1 3 2 5 3 2 5. This structure is known as D-luxose. These four structures are known as structure of pentoses. Here we can see that in each structure 5 carbon atoms are present. So that this type of monosaccharide is known as pentoses. Pentoses. Now you can see the structure of hexoses. हेक्सोजेस का एग्जाम्पल होता है हेक्सोजेस. एग्जाम्पल होता है ग्लूकोज फ्रक्टोज गैलेक्टोज all are the example of hexoses. Here we can write the structure of glucose in two forms. First one is chain form and second structure is written as ring form. Second structure is written in the form of ring. Chain form structure, formula of glucose is C6H12O6. C H double bond O CH OH C OH CH C 1 2 3 4 CHOH CHOH CH2OH. This type of carbon chain, 6 carbon are represented in the form of a chain, so that form of chain is known as hexogens or in chain form. In ring form, we can retain the structure in the form of a ring. यहाँ ऑक्सीजन होता है और यहाँ हर जगह कार्बन ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है। CH2OH OH OH This structure is represented in the form of ring, so that is known as ring form of glucose. Ring form, that is represented in chain form. Pyranose, structure of pyranose. Now we can write the structure of glucose. Structure of fructose. फ्रक्टोज का जो फार्मूला होता है C6H12O6। CH2OH C double bond O C 1 2 3 4 5 6 C double bond O C OH H OH CH2OH. That is the structure of fructose in the form of ring. While structure of pentose is CH2OH OH CH2OH. This is the structure of fructose in the form of ring. That is in the form of chain. Now we can write the structure of galactose. HC double bond O C 1 2 3 4 5 6 CHOH CH2OH. D-galactose in ring form. This structure can be written as CH2OH OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, OH, H. This structure of galactose is written in the form of a ring. So today we can know about, in this lecture we can know about the structure of monosaccharide in different form, in open form and or in chain form and or in ring form.